most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be diving in and unboxing the Lush kitchen box for July. I am so incredibly proud that I haven't seen any spoilers for this box. I haven't seen any of the items or any of the scents or anything like that, so I'm so excited to dive right in. I hope you guys are excited to see me unbox it, so without further ado, let's go. I hope you guys enjoy. Grab yourselves a drink and a snack and carry on watching. Let's dive into the box. The first thing... Okay, this makes so much sense. It's a plastic-free July wash card, so that makes sense now as to why the Fresh and Flowers box was also plastic-free. Now, these are wash cards, so essentially they are solid shower gels, similar to a soap bar, I suppose, but just something a little bit different, a bit more fun. This smells like 29 High Street. If you don't know me, 29 High Street perfume is probably my all-time favourite Lush perfume ever. Apart from things like Twilight, Lord of Misrule, Plum Rain, those kind of smells, 29 High Street is up in my top 5. It smells insane. It's originally supposed to smell like a Lush store, which I actually disagree. I don't think it smells like a Lush store at all. It smells like mature perfume, just really luxurious fragrances, like what you would imagine like a Prada to smell like. Do you know what I mean? Or like the inside of like a Ferrari. That sounds so stupid, but it smells very luxurious in my opinion. So this is the 29 High Street shower sheet. Okay, so it's not a wash card. It's the shower sheet. I assume it's the same thing. And ingredients wise, we have got fresh apple pulp, sandalwood oil, lemon oil, lime oil, what else? Tonka Absolute, Jasmine Absolute. It basically smells like 29 High Street, and it smells delish. So if you haven't tried this, if you haven't ever smelled 29 High Street, go and try and find something that smells like it, because, oh, amazing. Beautiful. Oh, what a great start. That smells delightful. So the next item we have in the box, oh, okay. Oh, this is interesting. So this is the Shampoo Bar, which is called, hang on, Mango Exuberance. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, because you guys know my pronunciation skills. Not my strong point, but this is a shampoo bar. And do you know what? I am very surprised actually to see another shampoo bar in this box, because spoiler alert, we did get one in the Fresh and Flowers, which the video will be up soon. If it isn't up already, it'll be up soon. But I'm very surprised to see it, because normally they don't tend to do stuff the same. Anyway, so this is the Mango Exuberance Shampoo Bar, and ingredients wise it has fresh mango, lemon oil, lime oil, pineapple powder, lemongrass oil. Oh, it smells like Avo Bar. That's what it smells like. Do you know what I was thinking? Does this smell like Montalbano Shampoo Bar? Is it just a different colour? But no, it smells like Avo Bar. That one in my mouth, but that smells delicious. I feel like for my hair type this probably might be a little bit more on the drying side, but I know that Ryan would love something like this, because he has short hair. It gets quite oily quite quickly, you know, so I think he'd really enjoy this. But that smells incredible. If you love Avo Bath, you would love this. Delicious. And if you guys don't know what a shampoo bar is, a brief description. Essentially, they last 80 to 100 washes. They're plastic free, really good for the environment. They're supposed to last about 3 bottles worth of shampoo. So they're really great. They do retail for about £9, which in my opinion is a lot more expensive than they used to be. When I worked there back in, I think it was 2017, they were £5. And I do get that inflation happens, but like that's nearly another £5. Do you know what I mean? But I do love these. Shampoo bars are my ride or die. I absolutely love them, so I will always purchase them, no matter the price. And that smells like heaven, so love that. Moving on. So the next item in the box is this one. This is the Turtle Jelly Bomb. I will double check it in a second, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like these. Like, I'm really not a fan of the jelly bombs personally. I just think they're not practical for a relaxing adult bath. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, they're great if you want to have a fun bath, or if you've got children and stuff like that, because it does leave a jelly residue on top. And if you're somebody who washes their hair in the bath, or like, it's just not a vibe. It's not my favourite situation. But look how cute he is. A little turtle. I love that. But this is, yeah, the Turtle Jelly Bomb I was going to say Turtle Jelly Bomb Bath Bomb, but it is a bath bomb. The Turtle Jelly Bomb Bath Bomb. And ingredients wise, it has got hand harvested sea salt, cypress oil, seaweed absolute, agar gel, fir needle absolute. Is it going to smell like needles and pine shower jelly? I hope so. Yeah, that's basically it. Let's smell it. Oh, it doesn't smell like needles and pine shower jelly. It smells a bit strange. It's like fresh with like a little twang to it. Do you know what I mean? It's not bad. It's not a bad smell. It's like fruity fresh with like a hint of something underneath that I personally don't like, and I don't know what that is. But it is very cute. So for cute factor, I would buy it. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, but that's that. I'm not so like, you know, I'm neither here nor there. I don't really like them so much, but I'm not disappointed. Moving on. So the next item in the box is this. This is the Easy Peeler Body Scrub. I'm going to give it a smell and then put it down because it is melting in my fingers. Oh, stop it. Shock if you couldn't guess. It smells like tangerine, like a really fruity, orangey tangerine smell. But I do need to put that down because it is literally melting in my hands as we speak. My hands are covered. Let's just wipe that on something and pretend like I didn't just wipe it on that because my mum will be really mad. And ingredients wise in that one, it has got extra fine sea salt, cocoa butter, mandarin oil, shea butter, apricot kernel oil, orange peel wax, tangerine oil, bergamot oil. I feel like I'm saying the same things over and over again. Potato starch, apple pulp. It's all beautiful, fresh, fruity ingredients, and that smells incredible. And so far it's been a very orange and green theme, and I kind of love it. So let's move on to the next item. How many do we have left? I think we have 2 items left. This is a good box. Okay, let's dive into the next item. So the next item is another orange item, and that is this. This is very sparkly and very melty, so I'm going to do this as quick as I possibly can. This is the, okay, hang on, Nausicaa, Nausicaa Golden Flask. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but this is a shower oil. So essentially it's very similar to an in-shower body lotion. You rub it on your body, you wash it off, and it makes you super soft and moisturised. And this smells... Ooh, okay. I was thinking golden pear, but it's almost not. It's like... It's got something else to it, but I'm going to have to put this down because it is melting in my fingers. And now I'm orange all over again. I'm going to seriously have the messiest bed in the world in a minute because there's just orange and glitter everywhere, and I am not a fan. Ingredients wise in that one, we have got cocoa butter, olive oil, bergamot oil, sweet wild orange oil, sunflower wax, orange peel wax, and olive leaf absolute, and that smells really good. Again, very fruity, very citrusy. I do really like the smells of this box so far. They're all very fruity-ish, citrusy-ish, and I kind of love it. So definitely perfect for this time of year in my opinion. I do love a good fruity fragrance. So yes, right, one more item in the box. Can we end it on a high note? I hope so. Let's dive in and see what we've got. Oh, okay, this looks interesting. I'm excited to see what this smells like just by the look of it. The last item in the box is this one, and this looks beautiful, to say the least. I love the look of this. Let's see what it is, and I'm so excited to smell it. This is the Intergalactic soap. I'm so excited. They need to bring this out for Christmas because this looks beautiful. I'm gonna have to smell it. It smells so good. It smells like Intergalactic, obviously. That's a given. If it didn't smell like Intergalactic, I would be confused. But it smells like Intergalactic, which is a very minty fragrance. Ben, if you're watching, you would love this. Wow, okay, ingredients wise, we have got fresh mint infusion, rice bran oil, vetiver oil, grapefruit juice, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, peppermint oil, grapefruit oil, cornstarch. It's so good. Essentially, it just smells like mint, but it's such a like nostalgic mint smell. It reminds me of when I was working at Lush and Intergalactic Bath Bomb came out and everybody went mental for it. It smells amazing. Oh, I love that so much. Oh, stunning. What a fabulous end to this box. Honestly, mind blown. So that is everything for the July Lush Kitchen box. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I am very, very, very impressed with this month's box. Honestly, I love everything and I'm just really impressed overall compared to last month, which just wasn't my favourite. I feel like they've really upped their game this month and we've got such a lovely range of items. We've got a bit of everything, and I think if you've got a bath or a shower, apart from the bath bomb, like you can use it all, so it's quite nice to have that like is diversity the right word? I don't think it is, but you guys know what I mean. It's just very well ranged. Do you know what I mean? But yes, that is everything for this video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. And yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.